Welcome to Module number 2, Lesson Planning and the Use of Resources for Language Teaching. This module is divided into 2 parts. In Part 1, you will get access to the units 18 to 21, and you will find a content and practice section. In the content section, you will have access to one video of no more than 5 minutes related to the topics from units 18 to 21. Then you will find the practice section, which is not evaluated and includes a practice task from units 18 to 21 using the H5P technology. In Part 2, you will have access to the units 22 to 25. In the content sections, you will get to review the video content, and in the practice section, you will have access to the practice task. Finally, you will have the self-assessment section, in which you will assess your knowledge related to the TKT Module 2 units from 18 to 20. You will have multiple attempts, but you will need to get at least 8 to go to the next module.